The Auschwitz concentration camp was a complex of over 40 concentration and extermination camps operated by Nazi Germany in occupied Poland during World War II and the Holocaust. It consisted of Auschwitz I, the main camp, and Oświęcim, Auschwitz II-Birkenau, a concentration and extermination camp built with several gas chambers, Auschwitz III-Monowitz, a labor camp created to staff a factory for the chemical conglomerate IG Farben, and dozens of subcamps. The camps became a major site of the Nazis' final solution to the Jewish question. After Germany sparked World War II by invading Poland in September 1939, the Schutzstaffel converted Auschwitz I, an army barracks, into a prisoner of war camp for Polish political prisoners. The first inmates, German criminals brought to the camp in May 1940 as functionaries, established the camp's reputation for sadism. Prisoners were beaten, tortured, and executed for the most trivial reasons. The first gassings of Soviet and Polish prisoners took place in Block 11 of Auschwitz I around August 1941. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.